want you to show me how to get to know someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true. We can be true. I want you to see what I see in us. Something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying?
Because we got everything here with the key, and I know that this computer is locked with this watts, and I don't have the EFI Live V2, so I cannot turn the watts off for now. But as long as I have this, and I will try to fit this also into the car, so I can use the cruise control and windows wipers here, and that will be awesome.
How will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be?
And I can also engage the high idle with this one. I don't have the tranny yet, the Allison, but I have the module that is connected to the ECM. So when I find the right gearbox, I have everything I need, and everything will be ready. And also I thought this was a 2002 model, but it's actually a 2003. That means that the engine also is a 2003. Even better. This will be for all the lights in the front of the car, the truck, because normally there's the parking lights. Normally these are in the back of the headlamps. So this I will not use, but keep it for now. And this one is going in the back. And somewhere here there has to be a wire for the fuel tank. So I need to figure this one out.
That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. That we're meant to be. Shuts the door, it's a losing game, it's a losing game. But this time it's more than another lot of war. This ain't the same, this ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright. In time, in time. My heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright, feels so right.
Here is the backside of the main fuse box. That I know. Also I found the plugs for the 2-wheel and 4-wheel controller. Connected this one. Need to find a plug for this one. I think I see it. Also I will try to get all this to work. This will not be a problem, it will be only later. This I will not use. Some of this I will use. And when I get this one fired up, I can start pulling away stuff and see what I don't need. So it will be fun, they said. I need to figure out two things before I can turn it over with the starter. One is where to plug the brake switch, I think. And the second one, I need to mount the gas pedal. Let's find out. And I think when I find this plug, the brake switch plug should be nearby, or it can be connected to brake lights or something. We just need to figure out. Found this one. To get this one running here, I had to figure out where the neutral, park and neutral switch was. I did take some precautions, so if this one was going to short out, I had this spring here, so it will not take so much amperage, and maybe in the TCM and ECM will not burn. But this was third attempt, and it was the right one. The next one now is to get rid of all the extra. I will try to keep the cruise control, windows wipers, turn signal, ignition lock with the key. Will not use this one, and I don't need this since I only have the 4L80E for now. I have the TCM and I will wire everything, so when I get the Allison I can just connect the TCM here. Also, this one will of course go directly to the gearbox, and this one, and these, that's all.